G'day everybody and welcome back to Alberta's Barbecue. Christmas is here and if you like your turkey, in particular a turkey breast, you gotta try this brine. This brine is goddamn delicious. Stick around. Over the festive season, it's traditional to have a whole turkey, but sometimes the family, we prefer a turkey breast, and these are absolutely brilliant. A huge shout out and thank you to Tumby Wholesale Meats for providing the meat in this video. So we are going to be brining for at least 24 hours before cooking. As you can see, we've already added things like water, apple juice, herbs, we've got garlic going in there. All of the ingredients are in the description of the video. If you're watching this video, you already know what brining is. So brining is getting as much flavor into the turkey as you can, submerging it in all those beautiful liquids and juices and herbs. So by the time you cook it, the flavor is going to be an absolute flavor bomb. We're just finishing off our brine now with some bay leaves, and then we have kosher salt and black pepper. It's now as simple as getting your brine, throwing it on the cooktop, and then getting it to the boil. Once that's done, allow plenty of time for your brine to cool. Once it is cool enough, it's time to throw that turkey into the brine. I'm going to throw that turkey breast into a large Ziploc bag. And then pour all that brine all over the turkey. Make sure the turkey breast is as submerged as possible. Lock it up, give it a good mix around, and then you want to throw that into your fridge for somewhere in the region of around 24 to 36 hours. After an overnight bath, it's time to cook. So we're going to be putting this one in the oven today to keep it real simple, fan forced, and then chuck it on at 160 degrees Celsius. Now I'm not going to waste any of that brine. I'm going to be throwing it into the bottom of this pan, and I'm going to be using it to generate steam throughout the cooking process. The turkey breast has taken on plenty of those flavors. You can see the color of the turkey has changed very slightly. Grab a rack and then put your turkey breast on top. We're also going to be seasoning our turkey breast. So we've got ourselves a homemade garlic rub. It's got plenty of garlic, salt, pepper, turmeric, a couple of other little herbs. It's absolutely delicious with turkey and chicken. So give that a good coating and then throw that into your oven or your barbecue. Last Christmas Day, I cooked this same recipe on my Acorn char griller and it was bloody fantastic. Whilst that's cooking away, I'm going to make myself an easy garlic and herb butter. A couple of tablespoons of butter, some salt, pepper, minced garlic, paprika, and then some fresh rosemary and thyme. Make sure you finely chop those herbs. And then just give that a good mix. Very simple, very easy, super delicious, and here's our turkey. It's been cooking away, it's reached the internal temperature that I want, which is about 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I'm going to be throwing that garlic butter on the top, covering up with some foil, and just letting it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's now time to slice into your turkey breast. You could have removed your netting first, but that turkey is pretty hot, which is why I wait to remove it after it's cooled down just a little bit. You're now ready to slice in to what is some absolutely delicious turkey breast. That garlic and herb butter just finishes it off beautifully, and the turkey was so tender, it just melted in your mouth. We've actually cooked this for lunch today, so we're going to be serving it with some simple dinner rolls as well as an easy Caesar salad. Whether it's Christmas or not, this is a delicious meal. If you just want to sit down, have a nice easy meat and salad dinner, there's nothing easier than doing this recipe, and it is super goddamn delicious. Anyway, Merry Christmas everyone. Have a happy and safe holiday period. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you again in the next video.